We are going to give you an example. Use definition to find the derivative of fx, which is x plus x to the 7. So let's just solve it. So according to the definition, f derivative of x equals limit h goes to 0, fx plus h minus fx over h. So now we're going to try to put the fx in and try to write this out. H, fx plus h, that means substitute the x by x plus h minus fx, so we substitute fx by x plus x to the 7. Let's say, now we're going to try to use algebra to simplify the numerator. And so let's see what will going to happen here. So this will be x plus h. Okay, here is the most people going to be have a trouble. So x plus h to the 7th power. How do you expand this? This has a binomial form. Formula. This is xa plus b to the n equals a to the nth plus cn1 a to the m minus 1 b, go on until cn to the n a to the 0 b to the n. Look at it here, the power is n, am minus 1 plus 1 is n, so they add up together, it will be power n's. And then a is the decreasing from am minus 1, am minus 2 until a0. And b is from b0, b1 until bm. So how do we calculate this cni? Cni is a combination, so what will be that? That will be m factorial divided by i's factorial and m minus i's factorial. Okay, what is i's factorial? I's factorial equal I times I minus 1 times until 1. So that will be binomial form. Let's just say what will be a to the b to the 7 equal. So that will be a to the 7 plus 7 to the 1, a to the 6, b plus 7 to the 2, a to the 5, b to the 2 plus 7 to the 3, a to the 4, b to the 3 plus 7 to the 4, a to the 3, b to the 4 plus 7 to the 5, a to b5 plus 7, 6, a, b, 6 and plus 7, 7, b, 6. Okay, so let's just write this out. What will be 7, 1? That means 7 factorial divided by 1's factorial, 7 minus 1 factorial. So that will be 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 divided by 1's factorial is 1 times 7 minus 1, 6, 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Cancel this out. Now you're going to get a 7. So here will be a to the 7 plus 7, a to the 6b plus 21, a to the 5, b to the 2, plus 35, a to the 4, b to the 3, plus 35, a to the 5, b to the 2, plus 21, a to the, that's not a to the 7, 6, 5, 4, that will be 3, sorry, this is 3, that will be 4, that will be 2, b to the 5, plus 7, a, b to the 6, plus b to the 6. So we're going to use this formula, substitute as x equals a, h equals b. So that will give you x to the 7 plus 7x to the 6, h plus 21 x to the 5, h squared plus 35 x to the 4, h to the 3 divided by h divided by, it's a continuous, so this will be still numerator. It will be 35 x to the 3, h to the 4, and 21 x squared, h to the 5, plus 7x, h to the 6, plus h to the 7, divided by h. And obviously we need the minus, little more space, minus x to the 7. So we're doing the cancellation. This is a plus, this is a minus, this is a plus, this is a minus. So after the cancellation, what do we got? H goes to 0. This will be h here. So now starting with h plus 7x to the 6, h plus 21 x to the 5, h squared, plus 35 x to the 4, h to the cube, plus 35 x to the 3, h to the 4, plus 21 h squared, h 5, plus 7x h to the 6, plus h to the 7. Sorry, it goes that way. Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to factor this things out because each term has h here. So we factor 1h. That becomes 1 plus 7x to the 6 plus 21 h to the 5, h squared, plus 35 x to the 4, h, that's no square, first power, because we factor 1 out. That will be squared, plus 35 h to the cube, h to the 3, and this will be next to 9. What would be? Will be 21 x squared, h to the 4, and plus 7 x h to the 5 plus h to the 6 over h. This h and sh cancelled out, and since h goes 0, except the first terms, so the final answer here is 1 plus 7x to the 6. But the rest, because you have h equals 0 there, so h goes 0, this will be 0. So the rest of the terms will go 0, so you only left is 1 plus 7x to the 6. So this will be your derivative. And this side will be review for the binomial, and this side will be the definition found with the derivative. And the hard part will be x to the 7. X plus h to the 7 expand. You must use this binomial. And I send you guys a link. That link has very nice triangle. That's easy. A triangle, what it means, you have 1, the coefficients, it's 1, and this coefficient 0 belows 2, and this will be 1. So then you can go on here, put that 1 here, so that will be 1. This will be, let's say 1 goes 1 out, 1, out here. Let me see, 1, 2, 3. So this is 1. This will be 3, 3, 1. Then you can go on, use that triangle to get these things out with the coefficients. This means a plus b square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. And a plus b to the cube equals a cube 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b to the cube. Okay, so this will be the right coordinate.